Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and a whole lot more drama, although things have calmed down a little bit, but in things calming down, they've revealed a couple levels that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching moving forward, which to me is important because when a lot of people are watching certain levels and wondering the same things, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So those are the areas that I want to focus on here. And the first level that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching because it stands out pretty good here from a technical point of view is right down here at the 130 mark. 130 not that long ago was an area of resistance, and there's a classic example or a rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and we have a classic example of that held as support, and then once again held as support. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this, that it is more than valid. It's more than, a plausible thought to be having that if the price comes down here and then breaks down through 130, the breaking of 130 very well could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Once again, nothing's guaranteed to happen. Well, that's certainly a rational thought to have. On the flip side of things, as far as the breakout players, there's going to be all sorts of breakout players now watching this area right here at 150. Once more, same logic. Nothing is guaranteed, but more than plausible to think that if the price can work its way up to 150, get the break of that area, then the break of 150 in and of itself very well could create quite a bit of an upside buying pressure movement. So that's going to be another area that makes a whole lot more sense to keep an eye on. So overall, $150 key level of resistance, $130 key level of support. But other than that, it's kind of just a wait-and-see situation, meaning are we going to see the price eventually break to the upside, or is the price going to break to the downside? Let's see what happens moving forward, but those are going to be the two main levels that I think myself and a lot of other traders will be watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.